Once upon an immortal bird, it flew from forest to the town, from forest to the town. Perched upon a tree, it saw the gate and heard a cry so full of fate, and sang with voice so heavenly. A man stopped walking on his way. He heard it sing as he went past. His soul shivered in love, and silence spoke instead. He felt the bird's sweet trill of what the world forgot. He went to the river seeking truth. He heard the wind a whispered prayer. To wind he sent his own. From that day forth his voice was still. He spoke of nothing but love. His life became all love. Through time the light began to grow, like lanterns casting gentle glow. And then the heart would speak, wisdom, daughter born of love, is born from a soul at peace, from a soul